how to delete Subway Surf accounts. Well, guys, in this tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So, which was very easy for that to simply open Subway Surf game. Now we will wait 3 to 5 seconds for load. In some devices, it takes 2 seconds. Now here you guys will see tap to play on top right corner setting options. So simply if you can setting option. Now the first you guys can see play again Sejuk. So if you knew at phone, it says disconnect options to simply. Plus the first of all disconnect Facebook and disconnect play again by clicking on disconnect. And once you do that, after this scroll, now here you guys can see delete my account. So I will simply click on delete my account. Now here you guys can see delete my account, select that, and after that click on continue. And once I click on continue, my Subway Surf account will be deleted. Maybe it takes 4 days, 5 days, weeks sometime. But it will be definitely delete that. Thanks for watching.